This is how the garden's looking. Been a while. I haven't done any updates or anything. Just found this today. That's a big old boy. Probably gonna harvest the sweet potatoes Monday or Tuesday. Went on vacation, came back, and yeah, everything's a bit overgrown, as you can see. So we have a couple gourds, some cantaloupe, bunch of watermelon. We have some more gourd coming in over here, probably more watermelon. Let's see, let's check out the bean trellis. These are our white bean runners. White runner beans, whatever the hell they're called. I've already made it over the top. We've got a couple beans already on it. So, let's see. Yeah. Some good sized beans on them. Yeah. It's getting there. Let's see, we should be getting some more cantaloupe. A bunch of little buds here. Let's see. Yeah. Got another one here. This may be a muskmelon. Let's see. Any more? Maybe that gets pollinated. Maybe. There's maybe one. So yeah, doing good. A couple more watermelons over here, like mini versions. I don't know why these are doing, like, these plants are so small, but it is what it is. Our Roma tomato plants died. They kind of, yeah, I think they just ran out of water. Roots showed at the top and it kind of dried out. But our Heat Master is doing good. Got all of our new different tomato kinds. They're doing good. Everything else I've already shown is still doing good. Let's see, we got some more watermelon over here. Bad boy there, one hanging there. Another one here. A tiny little one here. We got a big odd-shaped boy here. Cucumbers are doing good. Tried to trellis these up. Some of them anyways. We should be getting some cukes here soon. Hopefully. Hey bear. Got our zucchini. I don't really know. These haven't been doing too good. I don't know. Got our squash. Squash is not doing good either. Now we got the grapes. One of my grapes anyways. It's been doing real good. It's already reaching almost both ends now on the trellis. With the vine, I should say. This is the kiwi. This thing is so hard to keep watered. I want to give up on it, but I'm not going to yet. I'm going to keep putting effort into it, but good Lord, is it thirsty. My coleuses are doing good. My sister gave me a whole bunch of coleus sprouts from seeds she started. These different kinds. They're doing good. Oh, this one's been getting munched on. What the hell? Oh! This little guy was making a home out of my leaf. Screw you! He made a little home out of my leaf. Well, I can show him other coleus. Got some here. This one's nice and pretty. Got some here. Nice good color one back here. That one's cool. These are doing good. I brought this back. This had a single leaf. I found it on clearance. I brought it all the way back to here. I love this thing. It's so pretty. And then I propagated this from one of our other coleuses. It's doing real well. I hope this one took. It's not looking too good, but